Hello everybody, this is Steven from the Noisecast. I'm going to do a quick setup demo of the new add-on for doubleTwist player for Android called AirTwist. It comes already in the add-on AirSync if you have purchased that for $5 on the Android App Store. But if you haven't, you got to get that, and then AirTwist is available in the latest update. So pretty much what that does is it allows you to stream your media files from your Android device to your gaming console, whether it be the PS3 or the Xbox 360, and you should be able to stream them real time. I'm going to show you on the PS3 how it works since I don't have a Xbox, but pretty much all you got to do is make sure that both of your devices are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. So I'm using a Droid 2 Global with Android 2.2 Froyo. So just to show you, I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi's. Give it a few seconds to connect. Boom. Okay. So now that I got that down, I am going to go into my... Logically, I'm going to go into my doubleTwist. If you have AirSync, just go straight to that. Doesn't matter which one you do. And then we're going to go to Settings. And then Configure Wireless Xbox PS3 Setting for AirTwist. Enable. Okay. It found my Wi-Fi network. If it didn't, you just sort of click on that. Allow the current Wi-Fi network, yes. And I want to keep Wi-Fi alive. It doesn't shut off on me when the screen goes dark. So once we're done with that, we are pretty much done with the Android device. And we focus on PS3. Now, if you've ever done live streaming to your console before, you got to sort of set up your PS3 to find a media server. So if you do a search for media servers and give it a few seconds, it should find your Droid. Okay, found my Droid right there. So if I want to do music, everything I do now is controlled from my PS3 controller onto my PS3. I don't use my Droid anymore to control anything. So pretty much go like you're regularly using your PS3 for multimedia. So okay, so it took about maybe 5 seconds to load up the song, but it's playing, as you can hear. Turn the volume down a bit. What if I want to fast forward a little bit, skip through? Let's see what happens. Okay, so it pauses just a little bit as it buffers, so there is a little bit of buffering lag. You could do about maybe I'd say 10 seconds worth of buffering. I'm not sure if you leave it longer if it will buffer more, but this is done streaming over Wi-Fi, so there is some sort of buffering going on, but the quality is pretty good. It's pretty crisp and digital. Even if I let it sit for a while, it still only buffers 10 seconds. So 10 seconds is your buffer period before you get a little lag delay before it buffers the next 10 seconds. So if you're planning on going from one end of a song to the other right away, you probably won't be able to. You'll sort of have to do it 10 seconds at a time. But let's try pictures. Now pictures are loading up pretty quickly. So, I want to see that right there. Boom. Batman, bitches. Go to the next one. Oh, allows me to rotate in the PS3. Or zoom. Okay. There we go. So, it's pretty quick. For the pictures, there's very little delay. Unfortunately for video, I did not have that good of luck, actually. Video, for some reason, it's very difficult to find movies that are both compatible with the PS3 and your Android device. I tried MP4s, I tried an official trailer from Apple, I tried an AVI. It did not play on my Droid or on DoubleTwist. However, if, for example, I go to play a video that I had captured on my Droid, which my Droid records in 3GP video format, I get a lovely error saying it does not support that data type. Even if I go to the X-Men First Class trailer, maybe that'll work on here. It was not working on my Droid. Let's see what happens. Oh, there you go. So let's see how fast forwarding works on this. Buffering, as you can hear, is not that good. It sort of picks up a little bit. Let's try to fast forward and see what happens. Not bad. Okay, once it buffers, you are pretty much able to fast forward right away to the point you want to go to without worrying much.
One path we shall never choose, and that is the path of surrender.
So after the initial buffering period, you're pretty much good to go.
You ready for this? Let's find out.
So pretty much, even though this movie did not play on my phone, it was a MP4 file. It did not play on my phone. However, it does play on the PS3. So it all depends on what codec each thing supports. As long as your PS3 or your Xbox 360 can support the codec and the format of the video, you will be able to stream it, even though you will not be able to play it on your phone. Movie files that end in 3GP, that are part of the 3GP format, which most cell phones record in today, unfortunately those do not stream to your PS3 at least. I'm not sure about the Xbox 360, the codecs on that. So that was a brief rundown and a demonstration of the setup and the functionality of AirTwist for Android. It's available with the AirSync add-on for DoubleTwist media player, available for $5 off the Android marketplace. This was Steven for the Noisecast.